guys, today we're flying this. Here's how, cause water got to it. And then tried squeezing it and tried to fix the squeeze. So I poked it. Now there's a hole. But first, let's see how I make it come. Let's go here. By the way, this doesn't have any editing. Let me move it first off camera. Okay, first you do this. You fold it in half, just like so. Now remove it. Okay, now here, put it here. Now fold it down here. The dog. I'm saying the dog, cause my dog listens to me, and I don't want him to get out of the house and outside my house, out of that. Okay. Okay. Now let's fold it like this again. Now fold it this here, and fold the other one. Fold it and fold it. Now get this and put it here. Now you fold it. Fold it. Okay. Okay, that's how you make it. Okay, let's go back and fly it. Flying it in 3, 2. You see that? That was great. Let's try it again. Three, 2. Come on. I'm gonna show it straight. Hey, doggy. Stop. Stop it. It's my dog. That's my dog. Okay. Let's do that again. Hey, doggy. Okay. Come here. Doggy. Okay, now let's throw it. We subscribe and like for more.